Hey everybody, welcome back to my All Recipes 123 YouTube channel. You've probably noticed that I don't post anymore on this channel. I'm over and very active on my main baking channel over at BakeLikeAPro. At this point in time, I've got over 600,000 subscribers there, and I try to upload almost every week. So here's just a little sneak peek video of one of my recipes that I just posted a few days ago. A really super yummy and super moist chocolate cake, and it is very, very easy to make. So I have the full step-by-step video recipe over at my BakeLikeAPro channel, and I'll put the link to that below this video in the description box. And I'll also include the link for that really yummy chocolate buttercream frosting, and that'll be down underneath the video in the description box as well. So if you want to check out more of my recipes, they are over at my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I'm also on Facebook at BakeLikeAPro, and you can check me out on Instagram at BakeLikeAPro as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.